you search for how to buy shares of Flowers Foods. Flowers Foods is a U.S. bakery company that produces bread and other baked goods. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FLO, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FLO to find the company. Select the result labeled Flowers Foods to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the listing shows Flowers Foods and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio. A helpful link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this example.